Jesus closer, a Holy Ghost and lay you down. And I fed of roses. Alright, that's okay that I fed of roses. And I would like to sing this coming up song to our newcomers. Welcome to the Philippines. Okay. Alright. And we have also from France, Mr. Sex Francois. So you are here, everybody are here. I would like to sing this song from Tom McLean. Yeah. Maybe you like this song. And for the youngsters, I know that you don't know this song anymore. So just listen. I'm giving this song, sharing this song to your parents. Okay?
Starry night, you paint your poetry and gray. Look out on the summer's day, with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch of trees in the top of the breeze.
Sketch a breeze in the winter. She's welcome there. Welcome to Babonis.
And now I understand what you're trying to say to me. How you suffer for your sanity. How you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now.